Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. This is also a collab hosted by Melissa at The M Word. I will have her channel linked down below in the description box, along with a playlist to more homeschool moms sharing their winter themed day in the life videos. So if you want to see more homeschool moms doing their thing during the December winter season, definitely check out the playlist link down below. And this has been a big blessing in our homeschool. We recently got some Leapfrog books and a pen from one of my husband's coworkers. Their kids had outgrown them and they wanted to pass them on to a family that would really get use out of them. This has been a huge blessing. The kids have been playing with them nonstop every morning and learning along the way, and my 6-year-old is so cute. He doesn't even realize he's learning. He doesn't even realize that as the books read to him and the pen interacts, or he interacts with the pen, that he's going to get more reading skills. And I just love seeing them learn when they don't even realize it. I am so thankful that we were able to get these, and if you can get your hands on a Leapfrog pen and the books and the resources, I definitely recommend it. It has brought so much joy and learning fun into our home. So this is going to be a fun day in life video. We are going to tackle a little bit of school, some organizing, and a few trips in the evening. But if you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have an 8-year-old who is almost 9, a 6-year-old, and a 3-year-old who is almost 4, and a 9-month-old baby. So life is full, but we are doing our thing. And here on my channel, I share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. We hope to inspire you in this season of life and create memories for ourselves. The kids have really been enjoying watching these videos as I've created them over Vlogmas, and I love the creativity of editing and bringing our family life together. So now we are tackling school. Baby is on my back having a nap. My toddler is having a nap as well. The boys are working on handwriting and math while I read to them the Gather Round unit, the first journey. We haven't even got into a lot of the activities. There is so much activities and things to do, but the lessons alone are so beautiful and bringing up so many discussions. And then I read to them the shortest day of the year, celebrating the winter solstice. I was filming this the day before winter solstice, but preparing them for that and learning about that. And there's so many good stories in there, how we came to figure out how the sun rotates and the shortest day and the longest day. And it's a really great resource. I recently hauled it in one of my book outlet hauls. I will have that video linked down below in the description box as well. And then we finished up school. Once we finished up school, we tackled a few more things around the house, and then we're going to step out for an evening adventure here in a little bit. I have been loving doing school in the afternoon, and I don't know about you, but I definitely have to clean my home for company on the weekend. But I have been stuff shuffling, as Cami from Tiny Tidy Tuesday says, and organizing all the things. I decided that I'm going to organize my pantry, and I ordered a few things off Amazon to do that, so there'll be more organizing content coming your way, because I am sick of this pantry and how it piles up. And then I was stuff shuffling, moved our board games and some of our homeschool resources around, and I'm trying to be more intentional in our home and really get it organized for this upcoming year. And by this time, I'm almost ready to put the Christmas decorations away, even though we haven't got to Christmas, but I know I need to keep them up. But then we headed out to Dollarama to pick up a few last-minute Christmas things. We needed to pick up some tins for Christmas cookies to give to friends and family. We are going to be making cookies the last couple days leading up to Christmas and filling those tins up. And if you want to see what I got. Definitely come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22 for the Dollarama haul. And we are going to go check out the lights now. My boys were off at their Bible club with their dad, and then I took my daughter to Dollarama and the baby, and we went to check out the lights. So here are the lights close by to us, and they're so beautiful. Is it pretty?
Yeah!
Are we at the lights?
Yeah!
Is there too many lights?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness!
It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The season of peace is finally here. When family and friends and neighbors come to call, bringing love and Christmas cheer. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The lights on the trees shine so bright. Hear carolers singing from house to house. Silent night, oh holy night. See mistletoe hanging in the doorway, inviting a secret stolen kiss. It's a wonderful, heartfelt time for everyone on earth to reflect and reminisce. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. See children skating merrily in the square. Smiling boys and girls with faces all aglow, waiting for Saint Nick to appear, to find their stockings loaded with gifts from their list. All the children of the world. Soon they'll believe that wishes do come true for every good boy and every good girl. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The happiest time of the year. The joy it can bring to everyone, young and old. A joy to last every day of the year. A joy to last the year.
I'm going to close up this video soon. The baby was sleeping most of the trip, and then when he woke up, he was so mesmerized by the lights. We will definitely go back again. The lights are up till mid-January, so we need to take the boys because we haven't got there yet. It was so fun to bring the baby along because the last time we were here, he was still in my tummy. So it was fun to have him experience the lights. When we got picked up, the boys joined us for ice cream. There's an ice cream shop along the light route and some food trucks, so we got some ice cream and then headed home for the night. But that is our day in the life video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure your notifications are on so that you don't miss a video. We will be back with Vlogmas Day 22 with a Dollarama haul, so we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Where are you?
Leo.
Where?
Leo.
I can't see you.
Leo.
There you are. Woo!